Hi guys, I'm here with something new. I received my birthday gift from Boo today, and so I am doing an unboxing for you guys. We'll get back to the box, okay? Hey, I got this box out of the mailbox and I thought, oh, something Shop Disney, right? But then I happened to see Loungefly. And when the Loungefly box shows up here, it's for me. So, I'm going to unbox it.
You're getting the background sound of Obi.
Yeah, Obi over here drinking. Okay. Okay. Can you guess what it might be yet? If you do, time mark this and comment. Okay, you ready? After this moment, you cannot answer the question before you know it, because you're going to know it already. You got to give me the time that you found out, or you figured it out. You know what I mean? All right, let's get back to it. But look at. No, look, it's not a Loungefly bag. So if anybody thought it was a Loungefly bag, nope. It's something much more prettier. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me. I got to give the camera to Boo so I can do this. So hang on. Okay, ready. You see what it is? That's my little boy there. Isn't this adorable? When I seen this, and oh, look at the little pin. It comes with its own pin too. I forgot. And we got Bambi on there, but there are flowers on there, so that means flowers with them too. Well, so now I have this nice pretty shirt. Let me see. There's something else in here. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm trying to open it. Which end do you open? Alright, forget it. Oh, this one also comes with the same pin that was on the shirt. Okay, you ready? You ready for this?
Oh.
Look at it. And the little bow up here. Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness. Oh, flowers right here, guys. He's here. All right, so. Hey.
He just parks right on.
Yeah. Well, you can still see flower there. This boy is something else. So that's. And I just seen a post on Instagram. Some girl made some flower ears. I'm going to have to check in on those because I think I might need it. But isn't it gorgeous? Now I got to figure out which day I want to wear this. Buddy, you're going to go to daycare, buddy, because it's my birthday. No, you're not. You're staying with me. Never mind. Yeah, so that's my dilemma. Do I wear this for my birthday or do I wear my flamingo for my birthday? Decisions. But I love it. Thank you, Loungefly, for making a flower. Because I'm sorry, this is a flower outfit because flowers on the shirt. Bambi's not on there. Thumper's not on there. It's flower. So that right there. And it says, you can call me Flower if you want to. It also says it on the back of the skirt and the back of the bag. Isn't this? I am like so geeked about this. This is so cute. I never was the type to do ensembles together, you know? But I think I'm going to start doing that. I'll start showing you guys what I'm wearing. If you're a patron, you'll get first view. Something to think about. $3 a month or more. Okay, enough with that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching my video. And oh, we going underneath the blanket. Can I help you, mister? Hello? Can I help you? Here, put the flower over the flower. There you go. So, thank you for being here. And I love you all. Bye. Mwah.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.